All right, I had another online estate auction pickup today. So let's go over what I got. This was not my favorite online one because a lot of them like start at $0 and you just, bid $1 or $2, whatever. But this one all of them had minimum starts, which is higher than what I would have. But so in this tin is paper. Sorry. It is, wait a minute. Where are we at? It is vintage baby and childcare wellness manuals. And I paid $4 for it. I was the only person who bid on it. It's just that the starting bid was $4. So that's, personally would have rather paid $2, but hey. All right. So we have a War Department basic field manual. St. Louis Street and Health Guide, First Aid, a Information for Expectant Mothers from 1924, Our Babies book. So just some paper products that I'll probably just sell this like in a lot together. People like stuff like this for scrapbooking and junk journaling and stuff like that. So that was $4. Like I said, I would have liked it for just $2, but the starting bid for that was $4. All right, next is a bunch of porcelain dolls. Yeah, I know they look pretty rough. They just have to be cleaned up a lot. It's Bisque porcelain doll lot. I paid $14 for that. But most of them are Japan. So, but yeah, they're dirty. So I have to clean those up. All right, let me stand up. All right, so here's 2 different lots here, and these are vintage baby warming plates. So they're heavy porcelain and ceramic plates, and then you see where you have the holes. That's where you put the hot water in it to keep the baby's food warm. So these 4 together, these are the bigger ones. That was $8. Again, I was the only person to bid on it. The starting bid was $8. This set, same thing. I paid $8. Again, I was the only one to bid on it. Starting bid was $8. Okay. Here is yearbooks, and my husband's like, "Why'd you get yearbooks?" So I watch a lot of TikTok videos, and sometimes they give you a little bit guidance what to buy. And someone said yearbooks do good, so I'm gonna try it. So there's 5. So there's 5 vintage yearbooks for St. Louis area. So this is, it's got all the signatures in it. This is, I don't know. Let's just see what school it is. I'm gonna have to figure out what school this is. So that's pretty cool. All right, so I got 5 vintage yearbooks, and that was 1940s, 50s era, $8. So again, I was the only person to bid. Their starting bid was $8. This box is vintage children's tin plates, irons, and cookware. I paid $10 for all this. Again, it does have to be cleaned up. There's it's, the old tin dishes. It just needs to be cleaned up. But I paid, what did I just say? I literally just said it, I already forgot. $10. So $10 for that whole box of children's plates. All right, in that bag is 2 stuffed animals. I am trying to stay away from plush because I don't really, unless it's really old. Where did I? Hold a minute. Sorry. I have 3 sheets here. Oh, okay. So the pair of bears was $6. Again, I was the only person to bid on it. The starting bid was $6. So the only reason I got them is, I'm gonna pause this and show you. Hold on a minute. Okay, so I got them out of the bag. I did not get them for the bears. I actually got them for this outfit because This is actually a Teddy Ruxpin tuxedo. They showed the tag of it, and I could read Teddy Ruxpin, and so that's why I got this, because I'm going to take the outfit off of this bear, because it's a Teddy Ruxpin outfit, and just sell the tuxedo. And I mean, obviously I'll sell the bears too. I don't think they smell too bad. Yeah, they're not too bad. Okay, so that was $6 for those 2 bears. Again, I was the only one who bid on it, and I just got it to sell that tuxedo outfit. All right, over here, this was a lot, and it is called, it's not that. This was ballerina jewelry box, hand mirrors, and more, $8. Again, I was the only person that bid on it. I don't know why I got it. So here's a berry jewelry box, a couple little kids mirrors. So a little purse. I don't know what this is yet. I'll have to figure that one out. So that lot was $8. Don't remember why I bought that. Okay. This last one, this was all in a cabinet, and it was contents of cabinet. And I think I paid $12 for that. And I did bid against someone for that. So the reason I got it is for these. So these are vintage candle holders that you put in like a candlestick holder, and they sit in there. There's actually 5 more of these red. They're just in the other room because I'm working on heating them up to get the wax out. So I got it for those. And then, this is not a fairy lamp. It's just a topper of something. And then I think there was some more. There's some more in here. Yeah, here's some clear white ones. And then I think in this is just, I haven't gotten to this yet. So these are, you know, battery candles. So I think this is just more odds and end candles. I haven't really gone through that yet. But I got it for these, like just one of these by itself sells for $8. And like I said, I got 5 more of those and then a couple clear ones in that box. I just got to get all the wax out. So yeah, so that's what I picked up today. And then I gotta get, yeah, so that's what I picked up today. And get all this stuff hopefully listed in the next couple days.